Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today. At number 22, we have Shonda Rhimes for creating flawed and memorable characters.
Shonda Rhimes far exceeds any prayer I could have come up with for the best boss ever. She is a friend, she's an inspiration, she's a role model, she's a leader, she's really such an example for me as a woman, as a person of color, as a mom, as an employer, as an artist, as a human being.
Yesterday's big Shondaland shoot was so much fun. It was great to have all the cast members there. It was a little bit of chaos, and it was exciting. I don't think we've ever actually done anything like that before with all of our cast members. It probably might have been one of the only times we've all been together, all of us together in the same room. So we had a blast, and it was this moment, I think for a lot of us, some of us got emotional to sort of realize what we've all accomplished and what was going on. People always ask me what inspires me, and I never am able to answer it adequately. I sort of always say if I knew what my inspiration was, if I knew what inspired me, I would be able to bottle it, sell it, and retire to an island somewhere. I have no idea where my inspiration comes from. I feel like I was born with whatever it is that makes me love to write, and I don't know from whence it comes. I think what I love most about my job and what I get to do and getting to write these characters is that I feel like I'm telling the truth. You know, people always say, you know, you're saying something or you're putting out a message, and I'm not. I feel like these women exist. I know them. They are my friends. They are people I know. They are me. They are my mother, my sister, my best friends. They exist. And for people to know they exist and to get to see them on television gives them relevance versus people sort of believing that they're, I don't know, fairy tales or something. This idea that, you know, women of color like this don't exist is really upsetting to me. So I feel like it's wonderful to see them on television.
Scandal, How to Get Away with Murder, Grey's Anatomy. The list goes kind of on. I mean, she's created literally Shondaland. It's incredible the way she really thinks creatively on how to come up with these characters, and they're memorable characters. It's something that top creative leaders do. They create those sticky things that really stick in your mind, and these are classic characters that no one can forget. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you. And it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success. And you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We've got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.